Like, they swear. Can't tell me nothing. I'm an Ebonyline girl, okay? Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm DejaxAaliyah or Deja Lee, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Join the game, become a Dej doll. And I want to give a big thank you to Ebonyline.com for sending me this wig. And yeah, let's get right into this video. This is a Bobbi Boss Updo Revolution wig in the style EMILIA. Also, the link to this wig will be in the description box. Before we get into this wig, let's get a little bit into Ebonyline, because if you've seen any of my wig reviews, y'all know I literally order any of my wigs from Ebonyline. So to work with them and have them send me some wigs, that's cool. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm an Ebonyline girl, okay? As y'all seen while I was installing this wig, it comes in an updo style, which is really cute, and this is actually my favorite hairstyle. Like, I love to wear updo styles. So a little fun fact, this is my first time ever having a Bobbi Boss wig. Like, I've never ever had a Bobbi Boss wig, so I'm really impressed right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed, and I will definitely be getting some more Bobbi Boss wigs. Let's just get that out the way right now. This wig is a 360 lace, so you have lace all around. So the way that the cap is constructed, you don't get a lot of lace on the sides. Like, literally, once you lift this up, like, you got like a real thin section of hair, and then it's tracks, so you can't really do much with that part of the wig. So you get your parts on the side for the updo, and then you get the part in the middle. You could do a side part if you wanted to, you could do a middle part, and you could do the updo. So you could do just enough with this wig. Like, I'm really impressed, and it's really cute. I haven't been getting any shedding, honestly. Let's see. Alright, we got one strand, which is not bad at all, especially for a synthetic wig. So that's from one side. I'm running my fingers through it, and nothing actually. Yeah, so literally, y'all seen it. I ran my hands through the wig. I got one strand. It hasn't tangled since I put it on my head, so I'm loving it. I am loving it, okay? I am completely impressed. The highlights in this wig are so pretty. Like, I love that it's not too much blonde in it. Even though y'all know I'm a blonde girl. If you know me, you know I'm a blonde girl. Blonde is my color. But I'm really loving how this wig doesn't have that much blonde in it. Like, it's really pretty. I really love the highlights. Like, if you watch my videos, you know I love me a highlighted wig, so this is really giving me life right now. So I honestly have no complaints about this wig. It's a 13x2 wig. All I can say is that I would have wished it was at least a 13x4, and you could have had some more space, so, you know, do some things to the wig. But like I said, you could do just enough with this wig. Like, it is very versatile. All I did to this wig was spray the lace with my even lace tinting spray, and I added some baby hairs, and that's it. And you know I love a good wig that I could just put it on my head, do what I gotta do, and go. Like, literally, you have to put no effort into this wig. Like, it comes just the way it should. Like, you literally don't have to do anything to this wig. And the crazy thing is, when I picked the wig that I wanted them to send me, originally I didn't pick this one, but the one that I did pick was sold out. But everything happens for a reason, right? Because I love this wig. Like, I'm really impressed. I'm really loving it. Like, I would definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. We got some shedding though. We got a few more strands of shedding, but like I always tell y'all, that's what comes with a synthetic wig. You're never gonna get any wig. Forget even synthetic wigs. You're never gonna get a wig that doesn't shed a little. Like, it's just non-realistic. Like, that's not gonna happen. So when you could find a good synthetic wig that don't shed too crazy, you lucky. And you got people like me that's gonna try all the wigs before y'all even have to, and let y'all know what's a yes and what's a no. So this wig is definitely definitely 1,000 times a yes. Like, I really love this wig. And Bobbi Boss, y'all might be coming for the #1 spot on my synthetic wig favorites, because 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10? I haven't given a wig a 10 out of 10 in a little minute. I'm not gonna lie. I've been giving out like 8s. I ain't giving 10 out of 10 in a minute. So I'm really just impressed with this wig. I really love it. Like, this is a wig that I would definitely spend my own money on. And one thing about this lace is that it literally just melts it into my skin. Like, lace wear. Lace wear. Come through, Bobbi Boss, okay? Y'all did y'all thing with this wig. As far as the wig being big head friendly, I always tell the girls, if it's on my head, then it's big head friendly because your girl got a big head. So I usually have to adjust the straps on the back of my wigs, but with this wig, I don't have the straps adjusted. It's snug on my head without adjusting the straps. Also, I'm looking to the side because my mirror is right there, so if it looks like I'm looking all over the place, don't mind that, because I'm looking at my reflection, which I can't stop doing because I really love this wig. Also, I said I was going to take the hair down and see what it looks like, so I'm about to do that and then I'll get back to y'all. This is one of those wigs that you don't even gotta say much about it because it's speaking for itself. Like, y'all see it. Get you this wig, y'all. Get you this wig, okay? And when you get it from Ebonyline. I literally have no cons about this wig, like no cons whatsoever, and I will literally sit here just rambling, so I'm gonna wrap it up. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at DejaxAaliyah, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Dejas.